Do you have more than one Snapchat account and want to keep them both on one device? We have a solution for you. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to have multiple Snapchat accounts on one phone. Now let's get started. To add an account to your Snapchat app, open Snapchat and tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Then tap the settings icon. Scroll down to the bottom and tap Log Out. Tap Log Out to confirm. To add another account to your Snapchat app, tap Use Other Account. Then log into the other Snapchat account you want to use on the same device. To switch accounts, log out of the account you're currently using. Then simply tap the profile icon for the account you want to switch to. This way, you don't have to re-enter your login information every time you want to switch accounts. That's all it takes to have multiple Snapchat accounts on one phone. For more helpful Snapchat tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of Snapchat tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.